Imagine turning complex financial puzzles into clear strategic wins. That's where I thrive. Hello, I am Mayur Tejwani. Currently, I am doing MBA from ISADE. I have around 6.5 years of experience in strategy consulting and investment banking. I was fortunate enough to work on many impactful projects. At JP Morgan, I worked in financial modeling in corporate banking. At McKinsey, I advise leading financial institutions on many strategic projects. Around 4 months back, I worked on a capital optimization project in which I identified and unlocked $80 million of liquidity through redesigning workflow processes and risk management. I am always passionate about playing with numbers and also learning new finance concepts. Professional qualification gives me exposure to analyze financial statements critically. With deep expertise in financial modeling, valuation, and problem solving, I excel at translating complex information into actionable insights that drive long term value. Beyond technical skills, I bring genuine passion for blending finance with innovation and sustainability. I believe these areas are very critical for sustainable growth of the business. I enjoy navigating ambiguity, challenging conventional ways of doing things, and innovating solutions that drive value for the customer. I also initiated an ESG team for financial institutions. I strongly believe that Kraft Heinz mission of growing a better world aligns with my values. I believe Kraft Heinz is a very suitable platform for me to blend my knowledge of finance and sustainability to drive customer impact. FMCG sector's direct consumer impact excites me. There is nothing like delivering value to the customers and making change in millions of households on a daily basis. My journey has been full of learnings. One of the mistakes which became the biggest learning moment for me was the mistake from my initial days in McKinsey. I was working on a strategy project related to expansion of a Middle East bank in new geographies. At that time, I did a mistake of underestimating the currency risk. This mistake cost the client nearly delaying the investment. I realized this mistake and I corrected the mistake by taking better assumptions and taking into account the local complexities. This mistake helped me to understand how important it is to take into consideration the local factors and take assumptions which are very accurate. I believe I can bring all my learnings into Kraft Heinz and help the Kraft Heinz in bringing innovative products to the customer and improving the financial performance. For me, financial performance is very important thing. During my experience in McKinsey and JP Morgan, I worked on so many impactful projects that has increased my financial knowledge. I believe I can bring my knowledge to the table and add value by collaborating with different teams in Kraft Heinz and also improving the customer impact. By proactively managing financial risk and collaborating across teams, I will help Kraft Heinz in innovating products that bring delight to consumers every day worldwide.